that's definitely not you. Okay. Is that a real ID? Okay.
She drew it real quick.
All right. You ready? All right. I don't want you guys to lose these, so you have to take these back to who they belong to and bring back somebody else's cell phone. Go. You sure? Okay. Take your phones back, don't want you to lose them, and then bring back an article of clothing from someone else. Go. Are we going to consider you as a article? Okay, all right.
No, I didn't know where she was.
Let me see that. I don't know how many times I've done this game, but I think this is my favorite. Okay, that'll work. If you have a sock, take that sock back. If you don't have a sock, get one. Everybody bring back a sock, but if you have a sock, bring a different sock. You can keep these, okay? Alright, that's good, that's good, that's good. I'm running out of things to think